Hi, I'm Ms. Teda from the School of Design and Media. If you're here, you're trying to enter the school through the early admission exercise, and you may be wondering, what are the different portfolio requirements by diploma? Let me go through them one by one. Experiential product and interior design. This is a diploma for thinkers. This is a diploma where people will come up with concepts and ideas, doing technical drawing, moving on to prototyping until they can come out with a finalized 3D visualization or whatever they wish to build in future. So for interior design, it will be something like this. But sometimes, it will be something like what you see at the bottom, where they're trying to redesign a stool. They turn it into a bench. So first they go at it digitally, they prototype it, and then eventually they might even build it. So because they learn to build prototypes and it can be quite expensive to build prototype, they learn to use different materials since year one. So they have access to 3D printers, and they have access to all sorts of workshops that involve laser cutting or engraving in general. Now, if you're not into interior or product design and you want to do more of a digital thing, you can also focus on interaction design. These three disciplines came together for the simple reason that the thought process behind the ideation of a product, an app, or an interiors are pretty much very similar, but also because we're going towards a world that's looking forward to smart homes, smart objects, and in general, physical object interacting with digital interface. Think about your little vacuum cleaner, the round one that go back and forth, right? Those are physical objects that clean your house, and you interact with them using an app, and sometimes it sends you text messages, right? So those are what we call phygital items. They are both physical and digital. If we focus on the digital aspect of things, of course, our students learn to create websites and apps. And then, of course, they would do something like projection mapping, like what you see down here that won the Crowbar Awards. But we do bigger ones for facade of buildings during the Light to Night festival, or even the school logo being projecting on the wall of our gallery. What is experiential product interior design looking for? Of course, observational drawings. Observational drawings are very, very important. Perspective drawing, technical drawing, landscape and architecture, some figure drawing, not necessarily, but welcome. Maybe you did object design and prototyping. So if you took D&T and you have items and you want to show us, please do take good photos of them and include them in your portfolio. And especially if you if you have documentation for the process of the creation of that prototype and model. If you have graphic design, poster, advertising, your little prototype, please include it. And if you have concept visualization or interactive media, please do so as well. You may be focusing on UX, UI design, for instance. So these are some examples of observational drawing, as well as some graphic design, I would say poster design, and journals. You may have little models such as these, or your D&T project. Let me see if I can show the D&T. All right. And then, of course, the whole process of your ideation should be documented and included. And it's the only type of sketch that should be allowed right next to the final product. You may have interior design visualization done in 3D. This is a good example of something going from sketch to a little prototype made with styrofoams, and then the actual model built in a way. And then, of course, a poster indicating advertisement for the proposed product.